Hey guys, I am very excited to review for you today this electric scooter from Caroma. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a nice close look, demo review, and getting into all the different features so you can decide whether or not this would be right for you. But first, we're going to begin by unboxing and setting it up, so let's get started. Alright, now opening it up. Here's what we've got inside. Now let me pull out all the parts. And now here's a nice close look at all of the accessories that come with the scooter. Of course, the scooter itself, we've got our two rubber grip handles, the charging cable, user manual, and a few different sized Allen wrenches. And honestly guys, assembly could not be faster and easier. It's as simple as inserting the handlebar and pushing the button, hear that click, and you know it's complete. And then you'll just repeat it on the other side. And then to unfold it, I'm just gonna push in on this little pin and then fold it right on out. Then you hear the click and we're all ready to go. This is certainly a beautiful scooter, and assembly was incredibly easy to do. And now just charge it. Can take up to 5.5 hours to come to a full charge, which may seem like a lot, but it's got a long-lasting battery life as well. And now to turn on the scooter, what you're gonna do is press and hold the power button as well as this button for 3 seconds, and you'll see our beautiful intuitive LED display turn right on. I could short press the power button here to also turn on the headlight, and you'll see right here what speed we're at, the battery life, so it is at full, and then our gear. It shows a little S, kind of hard to see since it's light. Again, I really appreciate just how easy it was to assemble. Also incredibly lightweight. It is super easy to carry around. You've got that kickstand as well for when you're not using it, and a nice powerful motor with 3 different speed modes. With Caroma's quality promise, I definitely feel like it keeps me very safe while riding, and I'm super excited to now demo for you. Alright, all ready, and my husband is a very willing participant. So from start to finish, let's get started. And that's how it's done. Super simple and super fun, and honestly great in a variety of contexts too. Certainly awesome for playing and exercising, but also great for even commuting, getting around the neighborhood. A very handy, reliable device to have for sure for the fun moments and the more necessary ones. But that was just gear 1. There are 2 other gears I want to show you. The gears are adjusted. You'll see we've got the white button that shows its first gear, second button is orange, and then third is red, and trust me, it's a lot easier to see in person. And with that powerful motor, it can get up to 15 miles per hour. Alright, so now showing you that second gear. Definitely picks up really nicely, and finally that third gear. And that's about it. If you are looking for a super fun, reliable electric scooter, this one from Caroma will not disappoint. Give it a try. It's got a super powerful motor with 3 different speeds, that nifty LED display, long-lasting battery life, and overall it's a super smooth, comfortable ride. Give it a try. Hope you love it just as much as we do.